Your crochet pattern says BLO and it stands for back loops only. You might also see FLO, which is front loops only. So I'm going to kind of walk you through both of those in this video here. A regular back and forth crochet piece is going to kind of look like this. So we have our first row, we turned, and then we have our second row. So this is our regular, everything's flat in one area. When you work in the back loops only, you're getting more of a piece that has something sticking out, kind of like a ledge here. And then the back side makes this little V shape down. Okay. When you're working in front loops only, your front side is a little bit more poofy. So it poofs out here. And then the back side is going to have that ledge. In amigurumi, back loop only and front loop only are used in certain occasions to create something specific. So oftentimes we'll use back loops only when we're going to then add something to the top to this row. So for example, you might be making a little hat on your amigurumi piece or your little plushie, and you're going to want little frills coming after that hat. So that's when you would use back loop only. Sometimes back loop only is used for color changes and slip stitches and things like that. Front loop only is oftentimes when you want something to poof out or you're going to add something behind it. Maybe you're going to build behind it. Maybe you're making like a little mushroom head and you're going to put the body on the back loops. So I'm going to show you how to do front loop only and back loop only. Here's my piece, and I have half of it is using back loop only. It's a little bright right there. This half is using the front loop onlys, are creating this flare similar to the lip. Okay. And it poofs out. So let's go in and I'm going to show you front loop only. When looking at the anatomy of your stitch, there is going to be the hole that you normally single crochet into. And then on top, there's going to be the back loop and then the front loop. So again, back loop, front loop. Front loop is the part facing you. Back loop is the part closer to the inside or the part facing away from you. To do a front loop, we're simply going into just that front loop of your piece. So I'm going to put my hook through the hole, but not all the way through. I'm going to go up through that first front loop, yarn over, pull through the front loop, yarn over. I'm going to do that again, push through just the front loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, finish. All right. To do the back loops is just the opposite. So instead of going through that front loop, you're actually going to go through the top here. Instead of going under that front loop, we're actually going to go through the top into the back loop there. So I am pushing from the top, grabbing my yarn, pulling through, yarn over, pull through, again pushing through the top through the back loop only, grabbing, pull up, yarn over, pull through two. And these are things you'll see in a crochet pattern abbreviated as FLO, front loop only, and BLO, back loops only. If you found this tip helpful, please make sure you follow along for more crochet items. And if you're looking for a more customized, more interactive learning experience, please join me over at hookacademy.com.